User-defined name. A. Identifier. B. Constant. C. Syntax. D. Expression. If we overcome the rules of the programming language, we get A. Runtime error. B. Syntax error. C. Logical error. D. None of the above. Correcting the program code. A. Testing. B. Syntax error. C. Runtime error. D. Debugging. Designing the problem. A. Testing. B. Debugging. C. Logical error. D. Algorithm. Algorithm, when translated into a programming language, is called A. Flowchart. B. Identifier. C. Code. D. Debugging. The program must be able to handle unexpected situation like wrong input or no input. A. Error. B. Expression. C. Portability. D. Reliability. Leaving white space at the beginning of each statement, which is used to determine the group of statement. A. Testing. B. Indentation. C. Debugging. D. None of the above. It refers to the ability of an application to run on different platforms, with or without minimal changes. A. Error. B. Flexibility. C. Portability. D. Reliability. It is a combination of operators, operands and constants. A. Identifier. B. Expression. C. Syntax. D. Task. Each module should also be divided into sub-modules, according to software engineering and programming style. A. Top-down method. B. Bottom-up method. C. Coding. D. None of the above.